District 4, FYS worth 5,000. Then less po yung per choir member which is 6,500. So meron pong shoulder ang per area na 30,000 plus. Then according to President Charito Benedicto, okay na daw po yung uniform. So, proceed po tayo sa food. Food for last practice, care of areas ulit. Transportation, care of areas ulit. Then February 14, 5 p.m. departure at Buena Vista, Santiago City. 40 members per meal is 50 pesos. So, 6 participants per area. So, 300 times 4 include snack equals 2,400 pero binuo po siyang 3,000. Care of area for the food of choir members. Then, divide by centros. Dahil po 15 centros lang po ang nagbabayad sa area 3. So, 3,000 divided by 15 equals 200 per centro. Then, naka-note po na is-send ito sa GC. Then, take note po, reminder or noted, naka-note po dito na the officers required to wear barong during the national anniversary.
Ayan,